You ready for today's workout?
Dude, I'm ready.
I'm gonna smoke you up these bleachers.
Nah, I've got the new Ice Springs.
All right, let's do it, man.
Go.
Marcello, what is it you're drinking?
Ice Springs.
Where can I get that at?
You can get it at Safeway.
Man, Marcello, how do you improve your game?
Ice Springs.
Marcello was right. Ice Springs does improve your game.